Hello guys, it's me again. So today I am doing bloom using the TLPs and some of my paints and acrylics. So let's get started. So I got my pillow down here. I'm just trying to pop the bubbles whatever I can. Always end up with some bubbles. So set. I think it's okay now. This is the easiest way to get rid of big bubbles. There's always tiny one trapped somewhere there. Never mind. This gloss gel, which is works as a nice binder for the pigments. And then I mix with my pouring medium. So as you know, I normally use this is my pouring medium, base C. And yeah, and the pillow I'm using grey today. So all the product details will be in the description box as usual. Found one more bubble there. So let's get started. So this one is Arteza tube paint. So that's going in the middle first. And also I'm using cell activated Payne spray from Amsterdam. Second one, this is one of my favorite color, all-time favorite. My blue is my favorite. This is Sapphire blue from TLP, this little piggy. So it is going this. This one is Shimmer. You can see how nice shine it has got. So that is just going like this. Then the next one, this one I had a sample from this little piggy, so I'm using it. It's Galaxy. It's called Galaxy. It has got like charcoal color, dark charcoal. It has got some iridescence mica shining through and give the galaxy look to it. So that's what I'm putting in now. Just try a bit more here this side. Then I'm using gold Arteza. I haven't used that for a long time. When I started bloom, this was one of my favorite. I used to mix with every single color. Used to use it before putting the cell activator. I always used to go on the top and give us really nice shine. But now I got so many golds, so I stopped using it. But I thought, let me just use again. And the last one, this one, is my cell activator. It's been mixed for a long time, but I'll see how it goes. I think it will work. It normally works. So, just putting in the middle, just like this. You hear my son upstairs. I'm in my bed. I'm in the basement in my studio. And I can still hear him upstairs playing his game. So that's it, and that's done now. Now it's time to blow. So it's one dip, and then I'm going to go done. That's it. So I'm just going to wait a little bit to come all in middle, and then I'll spin. It's alright. Slowly lacing here. You can see might be need a little bit blow in the middle, so I'm just waiting to get back and then I'll give one blow. This one is Galaxy here. As Galaxy is shining through gold. I'm just going to give one blow in the middle. Turn my hair. That's it. I'm just going to leave it. You can see the cells are forming there, and I'm waiting to get it back, and then I'll start spinning it. It looks like it has come back in the middle, so spin. I have minus strength to give a good spin, but it's, you can see, moving. Moving this way, so oops, because I stuck there. Okay, I just go this way now. So that's it. I'm just going to leave these corners because I want to do some embellishment on both sides where the grey is, the pillow is. So you can see how lovely it looks. So this is one of my grey series. Doing 6 all together in this box canvases. So I'll see you in my next one. So next one probably swipe, maybe pseudo swipe, I'm not sure, but we see. So thank you for watching, guys, and I see you in my next video.